Hi, I'm Aaron with Veloci Performance Products. When it comes to flat surface cleaning, having the right tools can make all the difference. Whether you're cleaning driveways, patios, sidewalks, or commercial spaces, the HydroJet Easy Glide industrial grade surface cleaner is engineered to deliver professional results every time. Let's explore how this game-changing tool works and why it outshines the competition. The HydroJet Easy Glide surface cleaner is available in 3 sizes, 18-inch, 21-inch, and 24-inch. So you can choose the perfect tool for your application. Each size is built with heavy-duty 304 stainless steel for unmatched durability, designed to stand up to even the toughest cleaning tasks. One of the standout features of the HydroJet Easy Glide is its greasable dual bearing with a precision ground tungsten stem and seat. This advanced design ensures smooth operation and extended service life even under high-pressure conditions. Assembly is simple and straightforward. The 2-piece stainless steel handle is lightweight yet sturdy, making it easy to control and maneuver. The high-temp trigger gun ensures comfort and reliability during extended cleaning sessions, capable of handling pressures up to 4,000 psi and temperatures as high as 194 degrees Fahrenheit. The HydroJet Easy Glide lives up to its name, featuring 3-inch non-marking casters for effortless movement across any flat surface. Whether you're cleaning delicate concrete or tough asphalt, these casters protect surfaces while providing seamless operation. Maintenance is a breeze with the HydroJet Easy Glide. Each unit is fully serviceable and repairable, ensuring a long lifespan. From bearings to spray bars, every component is designed for easy access and replacement, so you can keep your equipment running like new. When compared to traditional nozzles or wands, the HydroJet Easy Glide is a time saver. Its wide coverage area means you can clean more in less time, making it perfect for contractors, cleaning professionals, and homeowners who demand efficiency and quality. Not sure which size is right for you? The 18-inch model is perfect for smaller areas like patios or residential driveways. The 21-inch and 24-inch models are ideal for larger commercial jobs, such as parking lots or warehouse floors. No matter the size, the HydroJet Easy Glide delivers consistent, professional-grade results. Ready to upgrade your flat cleaning game? Visit Veloci Performance Products today to learn more about the HydroJet Easy Glide industrial grade surface cleaner. With unmatched durability, efficiency, and ease of use, it's the ultimate tool for every pressure washing professional. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.